Hello and welcome to Liam's Lockpad. We got a kick cylinder today. It is been pinned by pickme1977. Been looking forward to getting hold of one of Pickme's locks. He makes great locks, great picker. Please check out his channel. It's called Berserker. It does work. There's a little bit of a hang up, but it does work. It's pretty much smooth. Not a problem. I'll show you the bitting. Let's see if we can get this picked. I'm going to use homemade tension wrench and deep hook. A homebrew from Trackmaster 30. Nothing on fire. Oh, fuck. I'll click on fire actually. I'll click on forward. I'll click on a few clicks on two actually. Oh, little bit of a fault set. Oh, there we go. Bloody hell. I thought it was locked up then. Oh, there we go. That's some really nice feedback. That was a little bit crunchy, which I suspect it has. It's got something serrated in there. And there's definitely going to be some type of spool or something, because that's such a deep fault set. Let me take the back off. Just ringing this, there normally is. Does he want to come out? Oh, he's there. Don't want to lose him. There we go. There we go. Let me just grab a follower. We can lock it back up because we have the key. Turn this around. Let's put that down. And let's see what we got. Well, I can see straight off the bat we've got all the chambers are threaded. 1, 2 and 3 had to be deep, and 2 small ones. Let's have a look. Anyway, let's see what we've got. We've got a serrated keeping. We've got a tiny serrated keeping. We've got a spool type keeping. We've got another, that's a deep one, that's a deep spool keeping. And the next one is a tiny little serration. And like I say, let's have a look. There we go. Yep. They're all, there's the tweezers. Let's get the Bible. What have we got in here? Well, it's like a serrated spool. We got, well, so half of it's standard, but then it's like a little T-pin at the end. Got in here, same thing again. There's another one that's serrated. And That is like the T-pin. Whoop, I just dropped him. I'll just put him back. And then last but least, where's that gone? There it is, I just dropped it. It is another spoolie type serrated. Some nice work on there. Look at these springs, they're coming out. Well, that came out number 1. That came out number 2, 3, 4, and who's not coming out? We've got one that's staying in it, don't want to come. So look up. We've got chamber in here in the Bible. We've got 1, 3 and 4 are serrated, and 2 and 3 are standard. Well, that was a very good lock. It was very interesting. It was a lot of let's even get a zoom in. There we go. There's definitely some very nice pins there. Really nice deep cuts on some of these. Very nice work. That was a tricky little bugger, that one. But that was very enjoyable. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and bye.